Hello, this is Jim from Techco. I'm going to give you a quick first look and unboxing of the E520S drone, and we're going to have a couple of drones coming, and this does come in a couple of different versions, and this is the 5G 4K, and there is a couple of different models there as you can see, but we'll have more coming, so stay tuned. So, ages 14 and up, GPS positioning, follow me, built in. Up on top, GPS, 1 key return, headless mode, speed control, HD camera and altitude hold, and that's basically it there. And of course there is an app on Android and iOS which you can download to control, and that's really about it on the packaging. So let's check it out. First of all, you're going to get your user guides, so you want to keep them anyway. And what we do is turn it around the other way. And there we go, that's the entire package contents. You get your spare blades and your cable underneath, which is micro USB to USB-A, and a little screwdriver. You get your control here. So this is just your typical layout, your power, 1 key, your switch, headless mode, 1 key landing, stop, emergency stop, orbit mode and speed adjustment, and compass calibration and GPS calibrator, and take and record video. So these will be for the keys up on top here. So we're going to pop that out of the way so you can have a better look. So this is your remote here, and the rest of the keys here, as you can see, and it's got a nice kind of sandy kind of texture, and your navi pads here, and you have your antennas, and in here is where the battery is going to go, and that's really about it. And what does this do here on the bottom? So that's where your phone's going to go. So you're going to slide your phone in there, and that's the general idea. And pop them back down like that, and that's really it on the actual remote itself. So it's quite small, which is nice. So here is some blade protectors, and here is the drone itself. So there is the battery there. So you'll pop out your battery here, and you can see where the charge is there and where it plugs into the device. And that's really it there, one piece. And if you fold it out, it's got a really nice matte finish to it as well, really nice. So you've got a power key here, you've got an LED lamp here, your GPS here. So you're going to set it up as per normal. It's like a quadcopter, like something similar to the last one that we had, and that's what it's going to look like there. So here's your camera up in front, and it does move, and then in here is some more little bits and pieces, and that's really about it. And you can see the feet there, and this is what it's just going to kind of look like. It's kind of a medium sized drone, so we'll extend these fully. So they're locked into place now, and that'll be it there. We'll get it set up, and then we'll get some footage with it and see what it's like. So you kind of have 2 eyes on it there as well, which looks kind of angry, which is pretty cool. And eachine branding here, and that's really about it. So in here, I'm presuming is where you'll put your SD card, if we can check that out in a minute, or your micro SD card, sorry. There is a little slot there, as you can see. So that's where your micro SD card will go, and you'll obviously want a good card. And again, as I said, the battery will just slide in there like so, and you power it up So this has got 2.4G frequency, 6 gyro axis, and the battery is 1200 milliamp hours. Transmitter battery will require some AAA batteries, 4 of them. Flying time is around 14 to 16 minutes, which is pretty average for these drones at this price. And you have optional cameras on this, as I said. You have 2.4, 5G, and you have 4K HD and so on. And you've got your pixel count of 720, 1080p picture, which is 1920 with 1088 video, and the distance is 50 to 70 meters, and that's really about it. So it's foldable, it's small, and pretty cool and pretty light, and as I said, it's got a really nice matte finish. So you've got headless mode, 1 key return, 1 key take off, and low power protection. 2.4 GHz technology adopted for anti-interference, 4-channel, which can be set for back, left, sidewards and right. So you have your 6-axis gyro, which can have stable flying, 3-level flight speeds, and it's got high strength fuselage body. So that's it for now. Stay tuned for more on this, and we'll have some video footage coming soon on techbuzzrun.com. I'll drop a link to where you can buy it. This is one of the products from Banggood, which we're working with, and we have lots more products coming from them, so don't miss out. And you can check the link in the blog post or in the description below where to buy it. And that's it for now. See you in the next one.